Hi, I'm Beth Helfter of Eva Page Quilt Designs, and hopefully you have watched my delightful video series on accordion sewn HSTs, and hopefully you have mastered them at this point. I am here to just show you a quick little video about how I like to chain sew these little babies. Sometimes it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense to make a real long accordion when you can do several little ones that are exactly the same. And it's really very easy. If you can chain sew, you can do this. So we're going to go over to my machine now. And basically what I'm going to do is I've got some of my signature teal and gray. And I am basically going to make 2 accordions of 16 accordions each. I won't bore you and make all of them, that are just alternating teal and gray. And why I just did it that way, I don't know. So we're going to switch it like that. Okay, so as you know, when you accordion sew, just got to find my foot pedal here. Excellent. You sew a 1/4 inch from the diagonal. And then I did a teal on top of a gray. So I'm doing a teal on top of a gray. Check it out. And I'm just going to keep on sewing, just like chain piecing. Oh my goodness. Then I will take these guys out because I'm only chain sewing 2 of them. You don't have to cut them in between because then it wouldn't be a chain anymore. I open it up and I'm going to throw a different gray on there because that's the whole point of accordion sewn half square triangles, is different and making them scrappy. And then as you approach, just make sure you don't accidentally sew that part in, and always make sure that you open the correct one. So if I did teal on top of gray, I'm going to open the teal and add the gray, just like I did up at the top there. And at this point, it's not going to be so floppy, so because it's got 2 little strings, so it's going to be a lot easier to tell which one you're supposed to open when you get to it. So I'm going to add my next teal. And then it just comes right along and says, open me, open me. And then I add my next teal onto this one. I mean, it's almost so simple that you're like, wow, why did she even do a video about this? But I'm here to tell you that several of the patterns in the book that's coming out very, very soon, and hopefully by the time you're watching this is even out, some of these you can make lots of chain sewn accordions together all at once, and then you've got all of your blocks made, which is great. So it's just another way to make the accordion sewn half square triangle process a little bit quicker for everybody. All right, thank you so much for joining me.